New just listed home, 2322 Summerlit Street, Lutz, Florida, by Justin Deloisio from the Military Veteran Team. This 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home on a spacious 1,680 square feet of charming space in a cozy, well-managed area. Inside, the open living area is finished with durable ceramic tile in a stylish brick set pattern. Seamlessly connected, the designer kitchen boasts frost white quartz countertops, painted cabinetry, and a walk-in pantry. The upstairs layout hosts a versatile loft and 3 bedrooms, including a primary suite with a walk-in closet. These are served by 2 full bathrooms, complemented by a convenient guest half bath on the main level. Outdoors, enjoy a screened paver lanai and smart home technology. This gem won't last long. Act now.